This is where most people start to decline. Not on the steps, before they even get here. It's hard, uncomfortable, easy to avoid, so most people do. And that decision doesn't feel big, but it adds up. You stop doing things like this, and eventually, you can't do things like this. For me, this isn't new. I've been doing this for decades. Not this hike, but choosing hard things. And over time, that builds something. Energy, freedom, the ability to say yes to trips like this, to people like this, to moments like this. That's the difference. This isn't about the incline. It's about what you keep doing. So go out anyway.